subscribe to my channel.
Alright, not gonna lie, this might be the most realistic prop money I've ordered. I haven't opened this yet, but we're gonna see together if this was worth the money or if I got scammed. Let's unpackage. Okay, first impression right away. The packaging actually better than I expected. It came sealed tight, no damage on the outside. That's already a good sign. Now remember, this is prop money. This is for films, music videos, skits, entertainment only, not real currency. But the real question is, how real does it actually look? Whoa, hold up. Take a look at this. Close-up shot. As y'all can see, almost look like the real thing. Take a good look. I'm gonna show you the back. Warning, this is not real. Copy money. This is a copy, $100 bill. Show you the front again. July 4th, 1776. It's a copy of Magic Money. Benjamin Franklin, spot on face. Y'all can see. From a distance, this look crazy real. The coloring is sharp. The green tone is close to ethnicity of U.S. currency. The portrayal, the portrait detail is surprisingly crisp. Now, obviously, I'm looking for the motion picture use only marking or a prop indicator, and I did see it right. As y'all can see, the prop indicator, Magic Money, prop. Legit prop money should clearly say it's not real somewhere on the bill. Now let's talk about texture, because this is where most prop money fails. Real U.S. currency has a very distinct feel, kind of rough, cloth-like. This one, honestly, is smoother. It doesn't have the same fiber feel. It feels like high quality print paper, maybe slightly thicker. If someone handed you this to you quickly in a dark setting, it might pass at first glance, but close up, you can tell the difference in the texture. Being built slightly, it doesn't have the stiffness as real money. Let's look at detail. The micro printing is not micro printed. It's stimulated. The security strip printed on, not enabled. The serial numbers look clean, but they are not unique real currency. And the back of the bill. Let's check that. Flip it over. The back is designed, is solid, but again, if you compare side by side with the real bill, you'll see different colors and layouts. Now, this is where money shines and stacks, because once you band it together like this, it stacks From a distance, this looks the same for music videos, short films, YouTube skits. This would look super convenient on camera, especially with motion, blur, or shadow depth of field. The edges are printed, but you can tell it's not layered real currency. So what it's worth for filming purposes, yes, for real close-up is good but not perfect. I'll probably rate it a solid 7.5 out of 10. Realistic on camera, probably an 8 out of 5. You should buy this if you're a content creator, filmmaker, rapper, shooting a music video, or just doing skits. This is solid. If you're expecting it to feel like real currency, you're going to notice the difference again. This is not real money. It's clearly mark prop use. If you enjoy the reviews of prop money, no hype, just honest breakdown, make sure you subscribe. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and I really appreciate every single one of you. Drop a comment, let me know. Would this fool you at first glance? I've got more unboxing coming soon. And that being said, this comes in it as well. A $10 and a $5 bill. As you see, it's colored and it got a shine to it. Show you a close-up. United States of America, Hamilton, Federal Reserve note. And it is shiny, as you can see. And this is the back of the note. In God we trust. As you can see, money props at the bottom. Again, it's very shiny. And I'm gonna show you the $5 bill. As you can see, Lincoln, the fake serial numbers, United States of America Reserve note, 2013 series. This is the back. As you can see again, in God we trust. Money props, not real. United States of America. Lincoln Monument. These are just bonus that come with it. This is $10,000 magic prop money. So if y'all liking this video, comment down below. I will have more coming. Subscribe to my channel, Prop Money TV. Y'all can help me out on the road to 1,000. Show you this again. Let's do it one more time. As you guys can see. Hundreds. We'll be ordering more. Keep the videos coming for you guys. Just doing this kind of content for your channel. Keep you guys in a loop. We hit that threshold of 1,000 subscribers. We're gonna do this together. Make sure y'all like this video, share it, comment down below, so we can keep this content pumping out for y'all. Y'all see, it's 10,000. Prop money, skits, music videos, movies, shorts. That's what you're gonna use this for. Just not in the store. You'll be in trouble with the police. You don't want that. That's a federal crime. So be mindful. Don't do it. Prime Winning TV. Out for now. Catch y'all on the flip side.